Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running Cachet, an open source status page system in Docker. To get started, log into the device where we're going to install Docker. We'll use apt-install to install a few prerequisite packages required to get Docker installed. Then we'll add the Docker GPG key in apt repository. Then we'll use apt-install to install Docker, Docker Compose, and Containerd. With the Docker packages installed, we'll make sure the Docker service is started and enabled, add the current user to the Docker group, then re-authenticate the current user for the group change to take effect. We're now ready to start creating Docker containers. We'll start by creating a working directory for the Postgres database to store its persistent data in, then set ownership on the working directory structure. We'll use the docker run command to create a Postgres database backend container, and finally, another docker run command to create the Cachet container. With both containers running, open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the Docker host, :8000/setup. Set the cache, queue, and session driver dropdowns to database. Then scroll down and configure the email server settings. Once completed, click Next at the bottom of the page. Enter a site name for this Cachet site, then select your time zone and language and click the Next button. Create a new administrator account by entering a username, email address, and password. On the success screen, click the Go to Dashboard button, then log in with the administrator username and password we just created. Welcome to Cachet, running containerized in Docker.